We had an idea. What if we could bring high-quality flip-flops for a low cost to the villages in the Philippines as a means to share the gospel? Say hello to my friends Pastor Mike and Ate Sally. They sell high-quality flip-flops as a means of support for their ministry. Why not support their business by buying their flip-flops and then turning around and giving them to those people who really need a pair of flip-flops? The flip-flops are made from recycled tires and high-quality foam and fabric. It takes about 1 day for a worker to complete 10 to 15 pairs of flip-flops. The high durability partnered with quality craftwork and a 1-year warranty made these the ideal flip-flops to give away. Good morning. It rained earlier. It rained earlier, but currently the skies are slightly blue. And so this morning we are gonna have our service. Hopefully the rain will hold off because we need to hike 3 hours back going to Casiguran. So hopefully everything will be good.
Kasalanan ay kamatayan. So, yun ang pinag-usapan natin kanina patungkol sa kasalanan. Kung ay sabihin natin ang kasalanan natin ay, famous, ang kasalanan ko ay sa loob ng isang araw, isa lang. Sabihin natin kasalanan isa lang. Ikaw na po ang maging sentro ng aking buhay. Ikaw rin ang magmaneho ng aking buhay.
Ah, yan. Yan, wow. Guys, we are here in Kozo. This is part of Casiguran, and we're here to do our second Tsinelas mission. We got here earlier this morning in Casiguran, and we made our way through the windy roads and the crazy mountains to get here to Kozo. So today we're going to share the gospel and give a bunch of flip-flops to the village here in Kozo. Check it out. Currently, we are here in the village of Kozo, and most of the people here came from tribes or other villages nearby. It's a got a rooster there. It's a village mainly of fishermen and of people that harvest fruits and coconuts. And so we're gonna go around and share the gospel to the houses, and then we're gonna go and give the Tsinelas, the flip-flops, away to those people that we get to share the gospel with.
Puso Panginoon, maglingkod sa inyo Panginoon, tinatalaga po namin ang mga bahay na pupunta namin, mga tao, mga kasalamuhan namin Panginoon, bigyan niyo po sila ng puso Panginoon, handang makinig ng inyong mabuting balita Panginoon. Ganyan din po ang mag-share Panginoon, ang magsasalita, gamitin niyo po kami Panginoon.
Ngunit ang walang bayad na kaloob ng Diyos ay buhay na walang hanggan sa pamamagitan ni Kristo Jesus.
Your faith, pananampalataya po na sa ating puso. Walang hanggan. Ito pong aking panalangin. Bakit nga may Tsinelas? Dahil mayroong nagdala ng mabuting balita sa inyo. At yon ay, sabi niya, napakagandang pagmasdan ang mga paa ng nagdala ng mabuting balita. Sino po sa inyo magsasabi ngayong hapon, Pastor, ako ay may buhay na walang hanggan ngayon. Salamat po sa kamatayan niyo sa krus para sa akin. Tulungan mo ako, Panginoon, na mamuhay na kaaya-aya sa inyo.
Lipat sila sa oso.
All right, good morning. We are back here in Kozo, and we're doing our church service here at this hut area, and we'll be preaching the gospel and giving some more Tsinelas away this morning. I'm with Pastor Glenn and Brother Robert.
Magandang umaga sa inyo lahat.
Gusto ko magkwento. May isang tao, wala siyang mata.
O talagang nakakalam. Kailangan po natin sumandal sa Panginoon para malaman po natin yung mga layunin niya para sa atin.
Bilang tagapagligtas ng aking buhay, simula ngayon hanggang wakas. Maraming pong salamat sa pagpapatawad niyo sa amin.